Hello and welcome. My name is Seshu. I am part of NetXperts Academy. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to configure policy-based routing. So before we get into the policy-based routing, I just want to show you how I am designing the topology. Then after that, we are going to deploy it. So for the designing phase, most of the time I prefer to use Drive. So Drive, you can download it from internet and it's free of cost, which is available in Windows as well as Mac. So right now my plan of action is, let's say that I'm going to take a router. You can just type here router, you will get it. You can see here, this is the router. So this router, what is my plan? I'm going to connect into my switch. So you can type switch here. Okay, just you can click on more results. So you're able to see the switches here. Even if you click more and you can able to see the switches here. So I'm going to take layer 3 switch here, which is this. So from this switch, I'm going to connect two computers. PC, you can just type. So this is PC1. Now I'm going to take another PC, which is PC2. Just you can hold the control key. Then after that, you can drag and drop. Yeah. Then after that, this tool is very easy to use, guys. There is no difficult at all. And now I'm going to connect this. You can see here. If you want to adjust, you can adjust it. So I'm going to connect this one here. So let's consider this is in PC1, which is part of VLAN number 10. Or else what I'm going to do here, I just want to take some circles. I'm going to make it this one, like just right click and just say to back. Okay. Now you can select this. Then after that, you can fill the color here. You're able to see these colors. This is the line color. If you want, you can do that. So let's move this guy somewhere here. Then if you want to fill the color, just you can click here. Let's say I just want to fill this one blue. Okay. So this is you consider as a blue VLAN. Then after that, you just copy it and paste it here. Then after that, just say right click and to back. Now I'm going to make this guy into different color. So let's consider as this is green VLAN. Okay. So one is the blue VLAN and other one is the green VLAN. So let's consider like VLAN number 10 and VLAN number 20. So from here, what I'm trying to do, I'm going to connect directly to my router. Okay. So here, the very important thing is my router is going to act as a gateway for VLAN number 10 and VLAN number 20. So in case if you want to write any text here, just double click here. Then after that, you will get a text window. Then after that, you can type VLAN 10. Then you can type the IP address 192.168.10.0/24. And in case if you want to increase the font and all, you can able to do it. It's very easy and straightforward. So to increase the font, you just close this window and you guys can see here after selecting there is a text here. Just click on the text. If you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. If you want to increase the font, you can increase it. Its choice is yours. Now if you want to copy paste, just right click and say control and drag and drop. That's it. So now move here and double click here. Then after that, I'm planning to use VLAN number 20 and this is your 20.0. And here what is my plan that I want to use it as a trunk port here. So for that, what I'm trying to do, I'm just double click here and select this. Then I'm going to say T. So T is indicating that it's a trunk. So I'm going to increase the font. Then after that, I just make it bold. Then just make it small. Then after that, put it here. So this is you consider as a trunk port. Then from here, what is my plan? I just want to take two more routers. So that is I consider like a ISP1 and ISP2. Okay. So I'm going to say, let's consider like again router. You can type it. Now I'm going to take it different this time. Okay, this is good. So this is my ISP1 and this is my ISP2. Let's copy and paste it, or else you can just drag and drop it. That's okay. just make it, then come here, and this is my ISP2. And from here, what I'm trying to do, guys, I just want to connect something like one more router here. Okay, just take this router. And from here, what I'm trying to do, I just want to take two computers for testing purpose. So why I'm doing this lab, let me explain to you. Take two more computers, PC. So here better I'm going to take different computers, or else I can take the laptop. What do you think? Let's go and take a laptop. So I'm going to take laptop 1. This is my laptop. And this I'm going to take laptop 2. It's very simple. So what I'm going to do here, if you want, you can take a switch as well. That's okay. That is also up to you guys. So if you want to take a switch, okay. This is, I'm not actually prepared exactly the lab, but I'm trying to think. You get my point? Because it's something, I have something in my mind. So I'm just applying through drawing. So doing through topology, I'm just want to show to you what I'm trying to do here. Yeah. So now what I'm trying to do, let's take a connectivity part here. So this is the connectivity part. Take it here, make it, and here you can able to see you want something like this, you can able to do that. That's okay for me. Or you can see there is a different things that you are able to do it, guys. Yeah, this is connected here. Up to you how you want it, because it's going to show it to you very clear picture when you are trying to do any labs here. Okay, let's click here, and I just want to say the style. I want to increase the font here size. Okay, and let's increase that. I believe this one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, now what I'm trying to do now, I'll take one more cable, which means I'm going to take one more like this. So I'm going to take it from here, make it here. Then after that, go here. Then after that, here also we'll try to do like this. Okay, that's the beauty of it. So you can adjust it according to your choice, guys. And here one more thing is that sometimes you may feel that, hey, it's not happening exactly what I'm trying to think. So that time what you can do, just you can zoom in, hold the control, then after that use your mouse, just scroll it up so that you can able to see it. So this is perfectly fine so far. So I'm going to move this one back. Okay, now I just want to move a little bit. Okay, perfect, guys. That's what I wanted. And here also I just want to adjust a little bit. Adjust it. Perfect. So now you guys can see here how it looks like. And another thing is that what is my plan of action here? I just want to take one more connection here. Let's go and do that. Okay, and I'm going to take it here, connect here. Then after that, I'm going to take the same. Okay, in case if you want to make it like this, you can do that as well. And I'm going to take one more connection. It should be similarly like that. Take it this guy. Okay, then after that, click on this, select the same thing, and you can able to adjust according to your choice. Now, actually, what is the size of this? I just kept as a 4. And what about this? I kept as a 4. Then after this, you can just click 1, 2, 3, and 4, and do the same thing for this one as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. So now what you are going to do now, just move this guy, just move this guy here. And if you want to adjust this, it looks a little bit beautiful that you are trying to adjust here. That's it. And this is also, if you want to make it up, you can make it. Oh, perfect. All right. So now I connected here. Now just I'm using the scroll, guys, because I'm just using, I just hold the control button, then after that I'm scrolling. So here, what is my plan of action? I think this is looks little bit not good. So I just want to make it more clear. Perfect. Then after this, what I'm trying to do now, I just want to connect a switch here in the middle. Take the same switch, no issues. Then after that, keep it like this, and just If you want to move left and right, you can just use this vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar according to your choice. So let's consider. Okay, yes. And here, what is my plan of action? Okay. So now I just want to connect again with the single cable. So this you don't need to anything, just take it. And here just connect here to this guy. So make it this guy a little bit this side. Then after that connect this guy. Okay, from here you can do it as well. So this is you can make it a little bit like this. Okay, that's what you are going to do now. So in case if you want to do something, you can do it as well. And sometimes you may find like this guys, so nothing to worry. Okay, see there is something challenges. Okay, now you can do that. That's it. That's what you are going to do here. Also what I'm trying to do here, the crazy part, so I'm going to make it this one also like this. So send it back, then after that take it this one, send it back. That's it. So now here my plan of action is very simple guys. The simplest form is what I'm trying to do here. Here the VLAN number 10, when he's trying to talk to VLAN number 10 in other place, so it has to go to my switch. From the switch it has to go to my router. So here in the router I'm going to enable the policy based routing. Always this traffic has to go from this path, this path, this path, and it has to reach. And again, when I'm trying to access VLAN number 20, the traffic has to go to my router, then it has to use this path. Are you clear for you guys? So this is I'm going to define as a PBR. So PBR is nothing but policy based routing. So means whenever the router receives any information, so I'm going to define a policy. I'm going to say that, hey, if the network is 192.168.10.0, then make sure that it has to use this path. In case if the traffic coming from 192.168.20.0, make sure that the traffic has to go from this path. That's what I'm going to do it here. Here I'm going to define that policy based routing. That's very, very interesting, guys. Okay. So now after designing the topology, what is my plan of action here? Here also I'm planning to do as a trunk here so that you can just copy and paste it because my Cisco router is going to act as a gateway here. That's okay for me. Then after that, what I'm trying to do here, I just want to configure different networks here. Correct, guys? So define it. So just mention that what are the networks that you are planning to keep here. Both sides I cannot keep the same. Okay, just you can mention that this side I'm going to say it's a VLAN number 10. Okay, but I'm going to make it as a 100 network. Then here this side what I'm trying to do, I'm going to keep it the same VLAN number 20, but I'm going to make it as a 200. The subnet I'm going to change it here. Clear guys? And here this is your layer 2 switch, consider as a layer 2 switch. And here I configure it as a trunk. Okay. And here the router what it does is going to act as a gateway. Okay guys. And also what is the IP address here between the main router to your ISP1? Let's consider like, or else this is your one of the router. Okay. As practical purpose that I'm going to consider as one of the router. Say what is the network that you are going to use. I'm planning to use, let's say this is router 1, this guy, and this is router 2. So I'm going to say 192.1.12.0/24. That's the one I'm going to configure it. Clear guys? Then after this, I just want to make it little bit like this. See guys, how much flexible. I just move it according to my requirement. Okay. Then make it like this. Then after this, say copy and paste because I can use the same thing here. So that's why I'm not doing anything here. Okay. And here what I'm trying to do, I'm going to keep it between, this is router 1 and this is router 3. Let's consider like that. And I'm going to say 192.1.13.0/24. So make it big, this one guys, I'm sorry. Okay. Then make it like this. Then just make it like this. Then make it like this. Then go to the text and click on bold. Go to the text and click on the bold. And here between this is router 3 and this is router 4. So this is I'm going to configure it as a 192.1.34. Okay guys, 1.34. So just you can make it as a bold. Then after that, here I'm going to use the same, make it here, little bit turn it, select it. Hey, sorry buddy, just select here. Just turn it guys, it's very easy and straightforward, that's it. And here, this is router 2 and router 4. So I'm going to configure it here 24. So my plan of action is very simple and straightforward, because this is I consider as a router 1, this is considered as a router 2, and this is considered as a router 3, and this is router 4. So let me turn this guy as well. Okay, all right. So let's move here. If you want to make it close, make it close. You can use your arrow keys if you want to make it up or make it down or anything. So that you will feel, it's very near and close. And also here, if you double click here, guys, in the middle it's showing the text message, right? So you can do that. But what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to say on the top, this is router 1. That's my plan of action. Router 1, make it bold. And this is my router 2, router 2. And this is my router 3. Okay guys, then this is my router 4. That's it, router 4. And I want to make a nice title here, so I'm going to say PBR, which is policy based routing. So I'm going to configure it like this. Then I just want to say bold, this is my policy based routing. All right, so now what is my plan of action here, guys? This is what I just configured. Then after that, to save this, it's very simple. In case if you want to move whole image into the middle, or if you feel, okay, just go down and make it, okay. And also this is actually in horizontal, guys. If you want to change the page setup, just go to the file, and you can see here there is a page setup. You can choose here either portrait or landscape. It's up to you, depends on your requirement, you can choose. And now this is I selected as a portrait. Then to save this, just click on save. Then it will ask you what is the name that you want to keep. So today is 30/06/2026. Then this is my PBR, policy based routing lab. Okay, well, then after that you can click on save. That's it. So far I have saved it. Then in case if you want to save this image, for example, as a text or something, just you can select, you can press Control A here, then right click here. Then after that you can just say copy as image. That's one of the beautiful thing, guys. Then suddenly if somebody asks you, you can send it to them to WhatsApp, or you can send it to them in case if I want to explain. Okay, I'm sorry, MS Paint you need to type actually. Then you can see, you can paste it here. See, it's showing as image. You're able to see this one, guys. Yeah. So you can change your background and all, you can able to do it. Okay, this is one of the nice thing that you are able to do it. In case if you want to paste it in the, let's consider like, sometimes I'm going to use the writing pad, right? Notepad, let's say that, not notepad exactly. Uh, let's consider like Word. So just I want to say Word here, just type it, right click, just paste it here. You can see here, you can able to do it as well. So if you just increase that, just make it. How beautiful it looks like. And if you want to write any notes here, you can able to write the notes, guys. Yeah. So this is what exactly how it's going to work. Yeah. And if you have any clarifications, or you just let me know. And especially for the engineers, this is one of the best tool. And also whenever you are going to submit your project report to your customer, I always personally recommend, please use Draw.io and draw the topology properly. And before you are going to get approval for your customer, always it recommends that you need to prepare LLD, low level design document, and you can show it to your customer. They will get the approval for that. Yeah. I hope this has been informative, and I would like to thank you for viewing.